Rich and chocolatey protein-packed cake bites with no added sugar. It sounds too good to be true, but I've got the recipe to prove it to you today. These low-carb protein chocolate cake bites are your new secret weapon for satisfying that brownie craving while still trying to lose weight or eat healthier. Skip the expensive store-bought protein bars and try these really easy to make chocolate cake bites today. Here's how to make them. We'll start with a large bowl to mix our dry ingredients in. Add 1 cup of almond flour. Use a sifter if you have one to help break up the clumps in your flour, but it's not necessary if you don't have one. Add half a cup of chocolate protein powder. If your protein powder isn't that sweet, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of a natural sweetener like stevia. I'm not adding any in this recipe since mine is sweet enough. Add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And finally, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything together and then set the bowl aside for now. Take out another bowl for your wet ingredients now. Crack open and add 2 eggs to your bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of melted coconut oil. You can use a neutral oil like avocado oil if you prefer. Add a 5.3 ounce container of vanilla Greek yogurt. Make sure it has no added sugar if you want to keep this a no added sugar recipe. And lastly, add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix everything together until all of the wet ingredients are fully mixed. Grab back your bowl of dry ingredients and then add the wet mixture into the dry mixture and mix everything together. You should end up with a smooth and somewhat thick batter. After you're done mixing, add half a cup of sugar-free chocolate chips and then gently mix those into the batter. Preheat your oven on 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Take out an 8" by 8" baking dish and line it with some parchment paper. Give it a light spray of oil. Add your batter into the baking dish and then use a spatula to smooth the top. Bake it on 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. Once it's done baking, remove it from the oven. Then you can cut your cake bites into whichever size you like. For this one, I'm cutting them into 16 bites. Then you're ready to enjoy your low-carb protein chocolate cake bites. You can store these in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 1 week. If you want more crunch in these bites, add some cacao nibs or crushed nuts into the batter after you've mixed everything together. Thank you everyone for watching. Please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more healthy recipes every week.